Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study data analysis. To begin, understand the core responsibilities of a data analyst, which involve transforming raw data into actionable insights. You'll need to develop strong analytical and problem-solving skills, mastering essential tools like SQL for database querying, Excel for data manipulation, and a programming language such as Python or R is fundamental. Additionally, learning data visualization techniques is crucial for effectively communicating your findings to others. Diving deeper into technical skills, SQL is absolutely crucial for extracting and managing data from databases. It's your gateway to information. Proficiency in Excel is also vital for initial data cleaning, organization, and performing basic statistical analysis. For more advanced tasks, learning a programming language like Python or R will enable you to conduct complex statistical modeling and machine learning. Finally, mastering data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI is key to presenting your insights clearly and compellingly. To solidify your learning, gaining practical experience is paramount. Start by working on personal projects that allow you to apply your newly acquired skills to real-world scenarios. Consider participating in online data challenges or competitions, which provide excellent opportunities to test your abilities and learn from others. Seeking internships or entry-level positions offers invaluable real-world exposure. Ultimately, building a strong portfolio that showcases a diverse range of analytical projects will be your best asset for demonstrating your capabilities to potential employers. The field of data analysis is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential for long-term success. Make an effort to stay updated with new tools, technologies, and industry trends. Networking with other data professionals and seeking out mentors can provide invaluable guidance and opportunities. Consider pursuing certifications to formally validate your expertise in specific areas. Remember, developing strong soft skills, such as effective communication and critical thinking, is just as important as your technical prowess for thriving in this dynamic career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.